Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how these email scam is going on over the internet. You are getting the spammy emails from your own email ID to your email ID. So here you can see I have made my email ID hidden because of my security, because this is my personal email ID. But when you look at the email, it's in my own local language. If I'll translate these language from Hindi, that is Hindi, to English, so these are the things they have written. Namaste, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, this is the language they have written, and in the English you can see hello. As you see, this mail came from your own account. This is bad news for you. There seems like they have hacked your, but it's not true. I'll reveal everything and I'll give you real reason, technical reason how these things can be done, and don't pay them either a single rupees because they are fraud. They have not done either a single hacking of your computer or software. So if you want, you can stop the video and read the things they have written to me, and they write it very sharply, like you have talked with someone on a split screen. Like these are the words you can point out. Split screen, everyone knows two people will be there on the screen when you do video talk. So they add some adult words too, and these are some irrelevant words to just to divert you from the topic they use. And when you go down, you'll see I'll send you, if you won't send money, I'll send you to a loved one, friends. They don't have any contacts at all. They just simply wrote down the email by using a coding that I'll show you how they have done it. If you'll come down also, you'll see like they want some money like 0.04 Bitcoin. And if you look, the amount is 92,000 rupee in Indian currency, approximately 1250 USD dollar, and they want it in Bitcoin. Why they want the money in Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin transaction cannot be tracked by any government employee or anything. This money will directly go into their account, and they say it like the amount is not negotiable because you cannot reply to that. They're using your own email ID, right? And then they says I'm using Tor, you cannot detect my IP address. So these all things are bullshit. Let me start it from one by one. Let's go to the email itself. First itself, Google says this is a dangerous message. Why? Because you are getting from your email ID. Okay. Number two, when you click on this show details, you will see no encryption. The reason is that each and every mail there will be encryption. That means to host a website, you need an encryption, like end-to-end encryption will be there in the WhatsApp. That means no one can else enter inside the server unless he is authorized to do so. And when you send from a authorized service, that is Gmail or anything from your own account also, you'll see a encrypted mail there. Let's say my friend have mailed me, and when I click on the show details, you can see the standard encryption is there. This is the first thing they should mention it. And mailed by Gmail, signed by Gmail, this thing should be there. When you look at this particular mail, there's nothing like mailed by Gmail or signed by Gmail. So this is a fraud email. And how they are doing that one also, I'm going to reveal it very soon. Number 2 point, if they have any pic, let's say he told it like he's having some pic. So if I'm the scammer, I'll send you, if I'm asking some recovery money from you, I'll send you one pic. Like I have this pic from you. If you won't send me money, I'll send it to the people of your friends or someone. They don't have any pic at all. So this is the way for recovery. At least one demo they should send you. But they don't have any demo pic because they just have your email ID and they know how to develop a software. Any beginner software designer can do this work. So let's go back. One more thing I'll reveal you that is so much important. If they have your Gmail password ID or any tracking software inside your laptop, they should have sent box. Inside sent box, if you'll go to sent box, if you'll try searching for the mail that you have forwarded to your friend or yourself, you'll not find. The reason is that they don't have credential to log in. Even if you want more activity, go to my activity on Google and track all your history, location, web activity and YouTube activity. You'll not find either a single activity from your Gmail. If you're getting that activity, that means your Gmail is compromised or your data has been lost. But if not, you are safe. So don't pay them either single rupee. Let me show you how they are doing. Let's move on to the website where I'll be revealing some codes and the technique how they are doing. So this is the PHP code where like this is the sample I'm showing you. Mail to what is the fake ID you have. Write down the subject there and then you should write down the message and then you should have the from email ID and to email ID will be same. There's nothing like you need very much all the credential to log in on all those things. This is the software which send message from yourself. Okay. This is how can be done. If you are a coder or anyone developers, I'll drop you this link which is from php.net. You can go through these codes and you'll come to know the reason how they are doing. So I'll request you people not to pay either a single rupee to these frauds, because this is not my only case. Many people are getting these kinds of compromised email, spammy emails. To protect you, I'm creating this one. You must check these points. Number one, go to the mail. I'm repeating this one. Go to the mail, click on show details. Then encryption should be there. Mailed by Gmail, signed by this Gmail. Security SSL should be there. That this is the SSL what I can tell you. This is the what HTTPS should be there in the email. Or else don't trust it. That's final. Don't trust it. Or go to Sandbox. If they have the email ID or the password, go to Sandbox and check the details. If you find this video, if you want to donate me, I have saved you thousands and thousands of dollars from getting scammed. You can donate me $1, $2 on my PayPal ID. I'll be dropping you my PayPal ID in the description box. If you want to say me thanks, you can drop me some $1 or $5, whatever things you want to help me. You can drop that amount. Anything will be welcome. Or if you have any question, ask me in the comment box. For more updates, subscribe my channel. Thank you.